What's going on, people? This is your host, Donnie D with Sculpting Fit Bodies, healthy living expert and certified fitness coach. In today's video, I'm making everyone's favorite food, pizza. This is an easy to follow, simple ingredients, easy step recipe, and I guarantee you that this will be the best homemade pizza that you've ever had. What I love about this recipe the most is that you can make this recipe within 30 minutes, start to finish. That's quicker than ordering from your local pizza delivery. So grab your favorite toppings and let's get started. All right, people, so that is the recipe, and I guaranteed you that it's gonna be the best homemade pizza that you've had. So I can't let you leave this video without me tasting the food. I'm gonna describe what I'm experiencing from the texture, the taste, and all of that jazz. So I'm gonna grab a nice slice here, and you see how it's holding together. It's nice and sturdy. So take a quick bite. So texture-wise, very, very crisp. Hopefully you can hear the crunch of the crust. So it's soft in the middle of the dough, but nice and firm and nice and crusty on the bottom. So for me personally, I've experienced some really bad pizza where the bottom of the crust would kind of just droop down and it was soggy. You won't experience it with this. You won't experience that with this recipe. So it's really important that you get a nice crust and crisp on the bottom of the crust when you're putting it on the stove. So in terms of the flavors, this is a veggie pizza. I put all the veggies. It's like an ultimate garbage can veggie pizza. That's just my personal preference, but you can put whatever type of toppings you choose. Keeping in mind, when you make foods at home, you can control what's going into the food. So you can control the sodium, you can control the amount of fat by putting more or less cheese on the pizza, and the sky's the limit. So this is a really good homemade pizza. I encourage you to try it. Share this recipe with some of your friends and family. Share it on your social media platforms. Share that you subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell if you choose to subscribe, and hit the thumbs up button. Hit the thumbs up button. That helps us stay relevant, and that gives us feedback, letting us know if you like these types of videos. Give us some feedback in the comments section, and we'll check you guys later. Peace.